What's up? So today's a good day. About a month ago, my uncle called and asked if I'd be interested in, excuse me, my grandpa's truck. And of course, yes. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get it, and very excited to get it. Make it my own, and this is his jacket, so I make sure I'm wearing his jacket when I go and get it. And then the infamous Pall Malls, unfiltered, the real deal. These are what he used to smoke. So I searched high and low, and I found a pack of those. But yeah, about a month ago, my uncle called and said if I'd be interested. Of course I was. So me and Kendall, we're gonna head out here in a few minutes. It's about 2 hours away. It's like I'm pretty positive it's a 98. It's a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 V8 single cab, white. It's a two-tone, white on the top, silver bottom, which is sweet. Definitely the plan is to lower it. I know my papa would like that very much. He was a big car guy. So we'll do that. And yeah, I'm excited. So here we go.
What you doing?
Where are we headed?
Go get your papa's truck.
You said that's so southern.
Your papa's truck. It just comes out.
Don't do that. There's some areas around Cartersville. Things like that. It's not beautiful like that with the mountains
The old Dodge.
back. Here it is. There she is. Needs to be cleaned up, but that's all right. Look at that. Here we are. Ate some Waffle King in the old. Didn't eat it in the truck, but we're here. She needs some stuff, which we figured it would anyways. So, but Papa's truck. Here she is. We're back. Kendall's dad. It ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. I think it'll clean up really good. It's gonna need some love. A little bit of stuff on the grill. A little paint stuff here. Just scuffs. Clear coat a little bit. It'll clean up good. Definitely need new tires. These suckers are from 2014. And it needs brakes. Like a while ago. But here it is. Sounds great. It's got the 5.2 in it. It's a little, I can't tell. I mean, like surface rusty. It's not bad though, really and truly. Exhaust, a little rusty. But it sounds great. It stinks. These tires are just so old. Because they ride pretty darn good. Or not ride pretty good. They got good tread. That's what I mean. Yeah. Real straight down the sides. Tow hitch. That's pretty neat. Pretty nifty. Straight truck though. Look at her. But man, drove good. Kind of bouncy. It needs suspension. It needs brakes. Clean the headlights up. Remove this window tint on this window. There's no other window tint. For some reason, it's just on this passenger side. But Yeah. Yep, I'm excited though. I mean, realistically, for the little stuff that it needs, this thing rode home great. Basically 2-hour drive, 70 miles an hour, this thing was just cruising. So, yeah, I'm excited. Lower this sucker. Be real cool. Be really cool. So now I'm on the hunt for some wheels and tires. So, yep. We're gonna jack it up, probably look at the front end. Anything suspension wise, I think this thing probably needs. So just go ahead and assume that now. But yeah. Just realized my bad. I didn't show the interior. Door panels look all right. Interior is really not that bad. You got this, which you can get this, which is great. This was new carpet. Oh, this will clean up really good, actually. That'll clean up good. New headliner. That's broke, which is whatever. But got the SIGs in here for my papaw. Oops. There we go. That's what he smoked. Yeah, this thing's gonna clean up really good. 98. Oh. Technically, I'm gonna say it's a 98. I like saying it's a 98 better than I do saying it's a 99. I've been saying 98. Dash isn't great, but it ain't, sure as hell ain't bad. That, which stinks because this is the only bad part on this part, but the dash has cracks in this there. Oops, my hand is that a, yeah, there's a crack. A little bit of cracks, but it's not bad at all. I'm gonna do just a dash mat. I'll clean this really good. Thing is with these, they're plastic, so that's why they crack so bad. You can tell the window tint. Oops, how it's scratched. Doggy scratchies. But this is in good shape. That's in great shape. The interior looks amazing. So happy about it. So today, there's all the brake stuff I got. There should be rotors and pads. I'm gonna do some vacuuming. It ain't too bad. That's the floor mat for over here. But this carpet is in real good shape actually. So yeah, I'm gonna clean. Found this. I'll clean the interior. I have these two. I bought this. I was actually gonna use that to clean the other side of the hood, but I might use it for, like, you know, what it intends. Wheel wells, the wheels, tires, stuff like that. But, what is that? Oh, that's my rotors. And I got a lug nut key too, which I doubt it's gonna be the right one. I really need that sucker right there. It's gotta be out there somewhere. I mean, that's, shouldn't be that difficult. But what I've been doing this morning, I cleaned the hood really well with this stuff. It's so bright out here, but it feels good. It had a bunch of, like, I gotta get that black spot, just that stuff. It was all over the hood, and now it's not. So that stuff did really good. I tried, like, getting this. This is just, I don't know, I couldn't really get it. Paint's super thin right here. There's no clear cut right there. That's okay though. I did the gas door. The gas door looks a lot better than it did. I tried to get these out. These will probably, I mean, some of these could possibly even buff out. Can't feel them, but yeah, I'm gonna work on, probably leave that Georgia sticker, probably take that off, just because I really need to take this bed out, or this cover, and blow out all this stuff and get all that out of here so it's nice and clean underneath. But need that straightened out. That's crooked, wheel straight. So yeah, seats look good. I like that. Hang on. This is cool. Storage stuff back here. It's freaking awesome. This was my cup from yesterday. That's what a bed's for. But there's dust out of there. All right. Yep. The old Dodge. Look at there. This is cleaning up nice. I've always wanted to do this with a brush. You know, like those detailer guys, they just let me do a little squirt, and then they use a little brush. Oops, and they're like, oh, and agitate it. You know what I mean? Look at that. Just agitate it. Yeah. Oh, we'll do those too. Don't you worry. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Change in direction here. Oh yeah. All right. Let's take this guy. Oh yeah. That's way better. Gosh, I'm sucking. It's hard to. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. I need to vacuum out of there too. Jesus. Look at that. Good as new. Good as new. Let's do those pedals. So, before. Perks of always having a toothpick. Get this out of here, huh? Gross, 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 gross. See how good this cleans up. Cleaning the engine bay some. This is looking better. I wonder if you can see the difference. That's like real dirty. And look at that. Nice and clean. Clean. Dirty. Really cleaned up good. Vacuumed. Cleaned the mats. The carpet looks good. Got the palm walls there. Nice and clean. It's a little dirty on the inside of the cluster though. But that looks a lot better than it did. Cleaned all the glass, vacuumed out, wiped the sides down real good. Still has this spot here, but that hood is nice and white and shiny. Look at that. The reflection's pretty good now. Next thing to do, I'll clean up those headlights. Try to put some like back to black or something on that. I can't find my stuff, but try cleaning that wheel. I mean, listen to that. It's rough. Need to shut the door here. It's clean. cleaner, that's for dang sure. I want to take this out still and clean it real good, but take this, honestly, is what it looked like all down the side. Mirror keeps popping off. Thankfully it just stayed.